Cloud computing is not just a buzzword. It has transformed the technology industry and become the foundation of modern software development. It gives businesses and users unprecedented flexibility, scalability, and efficiency. So, what exactly is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a model in which computing resources, such as servers, storage, databases, applications, and services, are hosted on remote systems and accessed over the internet. Instead of installing and running programs directly on your local computer, you can access these resources on demand from remote servers through a web browser or an API. That means you can access your applications and data from virtually any device with an internet connection, from a desktop computer or laptop to a tablet or smartphone. The cloud also abstracts away much of the underlying infrastructure. Instead of worrying about managing physical hardware and complex software infrastructure, users can focus on using the resources they need. Cloud computing can also provide environmental benefits by reducing the need for energy-intensive hardware and improving overall resource utilization. In simple terms, cloud computing lets you use computing resources when and where you need them, without having to own and manage all of the underlying infrastructure yourself.